Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to one more video from Academetra, and today we will do some more problems from time and distance. So without any further ado, let's start. Let's see what the first problem says. It says two cyclists start together towards a place 60 km away. One goes at a 20 km per hour speed and the other goes at a speed of 15 km per hour. The first returns immediately after reaching the destination and meet the slower one on the way back. So we have to find how far from the starting point do they meet. Okay. So let's say that there is a point A where from which the journey starts and there is a point B there. Okay. So this is 60 kilometer. So the problem says that the faster will go from A to B at a speed of 20 km per hour. The slower will go at a speed of 15 km per hour. And while returning, the faster one will meet somewhere here. So we have to find how far this is from A. We have to find this. So the 60 kilometer, so the faster cyclist has a speed of 20 kmph. So he will cross the distance in 3 hours because total is 60. 60 by 20 will be 3 hours. So in these 3 hours, slower one will go 3 into 15, 45 kilometers. So now 15 kilometers is remaining for this cyclist. Now as they will travel in the opposite direction, so we will have to find the relative speed as well. So the relative speed will be (20 plus 15), it is 35 km per hour. So 15 km is remaining, the relative speed is 35, so it will take 15 by 35 or 3 by 7 hours for them to meet after the first cyclist had reached the destination. So we have got this. Now we have to find in these 3 by 7 hours how much kilometers had the slower cyclist traveled. So the slower cyclist has traveled 3 by 7 into 15 or 45 by 7 kilometer. So he has traveled, so here somewhere is 45 kilometer and he has traveled 45 by 7. So the total distance from A, the starting point, it will be 45 plus 45 by 7, it will be 6 whole 3 by 7, so it will be 51 whole 3 by 7. We can make it decimal point. It will be around 51.42 kilometers. That will be the answer. Now, what do the next problem says? It says a man walks a certain distance and returns back in 5 hours and 48 minutes. How could he could walk both ways in 7 hours 12 minutes? So we will have to find how long would he take to ride both ways. It's a much simpler problem. So we will convert this 48 minutes and 12 minutes in hours. So 48 minute, it will be 4 by 5 hour, 12 minutes 1 by 5 hour. Okay, let's convert them into decimal as well. It will be 0.8, it will be 0.2. So let's say the distance is x. Okay, so walking speed here and then return back is 7.02 7.2 7.2 hours, and say one side he has gone by walking and the other side he has gone by riding some vehicle, so that would take 5.8 hours. So we have to just find the walking speed. It would be 7.2 by 2, this is 3.6 hours walking speed of one way. Okay, I will mark it like this. So this distance he had come by riding. So this one is 3.6. We have to find the riding speed as well. So it will be riding speed one way will be 5.8 minus 3.6, it will be 2.2 hours. So from there we can say that the riding speed both ways will be 2.2 into 2 equal to 4.4 hours. Now we will convert this into minutes. Now 4 by 10 into 60, or it will be 4 hours 24 minutes. Okay, let's see what the next problem says. It says two trains, each 180 meters long, run on a parallel track in opposite direction. Now each crosses each other in 6 seconds. in one train the speed is 30 kilometers more than the other, so we have to find their individual speed. So we have done problems similar to this, not exactly this type but very similar. So the total distance will be 180 into 2, because each 180 meter long, so it will be 360 meters. And relative speed, it will be 360 by 6, 60 meters, 60 meters per second. Okay, so as it will be 60 meter per second, so we can say that if the speed of the slower train, let's say if the speed of the slower train be x, then speed of the faster train, it will be x plus 30. Okay, this is all in kilometer per hour. X cube. So 60, we can convert this 60 meter per second is equal to, you can convert this, it will be 60 into 18.5, 18 by 5, so it will be 12. So total it would be 216 kilometer per hour. So if the total is 216 kilometer per hour, then we can say that x plus 30 is equal to 216 kilometer per hour, or it will be 2x plus 30 equal to 206, 2x equal to 186, x equal to 93 kilometer per hour. It will be the speed of the slower train, and therefore speed of the fast train will be 123 kilometer per hour. This will be the speed of the faster train. Okay, so bye for now. We'll meet you in the next video.